Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get XLSTAT in Excel. First, navigate to the official XLSTAT website. You will find the download section there. Make sure to select the correct version that matches your computer's operating system and your Excel version. Once downloaded, locate the setup file, which is typically found in your Downloads folder, ready for the next step. Now, let's install the software. Double-click the installer file you just downloaded. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. It is very important to close any open Excel workbooks before proceeding with the installation to ensure a smooth and complete setup. This step usually takes only a few minutes to finish. Once the installation is complete, open Microsoft Excel. You should see a prompt to activate your XLSTAT license. If you have purchased a license, enter your unique license key in the designated field. Alternatively, if you wish to try it out first, you can select the option to start a free trial, which typically lasts for 14 days. With XLSTAT successfully installed and activated, you will now find a dedicated XLSTAT tab in your Excel ribbon. Click on this tab to reveal a wide array of statistical analysis tools and features. From here, you can easily select the analysis you need and apply it to your data, making advanced statistical work much more accessible and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.